Killing makes my dick hard!
But when the sinners find us, we won't hide. They'll come out and they'll confess. We shoot first and we can last. Keep your rifle by your side, singing, oh Lord, this earth was made for us. Singing, oh Lord, this simple life just ain't enough. So we'll take a stand, 'cause we must protect our land. Keep your rifle by your side.
You don't shoot the cops, asshole!
They'll come day and they'll come night. They'll have our children in their sights.
I got an idea.
But if they don't have faith, their eyes are blind. They can scream, they can shout, they can smoke us out. Keep your rifle by your
You want war?
side.
You got it!
Shoot him in the head!
This earth was made for us.
Fucking retard!
When we hear the voice, we know we have no other choice. Keep your rifle by your side.
I'm aiming for your head!
Bombs and they'll have tanks, 'cause they've got money in their banks. We won't fall as long as we can fight. They'll go on and preach their hate, but they won't get past the gate. Keep your rifle by your side, singing, oh Lord, this earth was made for us. Singing,
I am not a person to repeating myself!
just ain't enough. And when I see your face, I know I must protect my place. I'll keep my rifle by my side. I'll keep my
One of us is gonna die!
side. Oh Lord, keep your rifle by your side.
I'm done.